Honorable Speaker, I have a strong objection. I have a strong objection to this resolution calling attention, which is completely misleading. And I will tell you why it's misleading. Please read this. Attention of the House is drawn to the attempt to create fear and anxiety by misrepresenting the provisions of the Goa Escheats Forfeiture and Bona Vacancia Act 2024, whose principles are embedded in the Constitution of India, especially within Article 296. Please read this sentence. The bill seeks to protect land of Goans, especially those lying vacant and abandoned and are at risk from illegal encroachments, fraudulent transfers and land grabbers. Your statement, objects and reasons clearly says, I will show this, a bill to provide for taking over of charge, management, administration, supervision, custody and disposal of property vested in the state of Goa, qua ultima Harris, which means as the last heir, under Article 296 of the Constitution of India, by escheat or lapse or as bona vacancia and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. I said when this bill was brought, I didn't say it outside, I said it in the floor of the House, this is an official land grab.
Speaker, and object.
And I mentioned it, you never said
object for this. तो चुकीचा अर्थ जो असा पहिली तो
I made the statement, you did not object. I didn't, you did not say, I made the statement.
तरी क्लॅरिफाय करचे.
Now I will tell this. I will show what this is. I will show what this bill is. I will show what the bill is. This is
Let him start, sir.
Why you did not object when I said last time?
Expose it.
Because my statement which I said last time.
Let him start, sir.
I will show what I have said. I will make it good what I have said.
तू जाता है चॅलेंज कर
about it.
सध्या तुका
In a different views.
कायद्याची भाषा आमका सांगू नका प्रत्येक फावटी 296 गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोडाने प्रोव्हिजन असा आणि इतरही प्रोव्हिजन असा.
We'll see that. Honourable Speaker, I was making a statement that in this calling attention, it is specifically written, the bill seeks to protect land of Goans, especially those lying vacant. The statement, objects and reasons in your preamble to the Act, it specifically mentioned that this is a bill for taking over charge, management, administration, supervision, custody and disposal of property vested in the state of Goa, qua ultima Harris, which means as the last heir, under Article 296 of the Constitution of India, by escheat or lapse or as a bona vacancia and for matters connected therewith. Now, I want to draw the attention of Honourable Speaker of the House. Please look at Section 9 of this Act. Once this property becomes property of the government, Section 9 provides, the escheat shall be disposed of in such manner as may be prescribed. Whenever there is a property which belongs to the government, it needs to be auctioned. It cannot be given in any manner in.
स्पीकर हांगासर आमी बिल पास करपाक उबे रावूंक ना आमी पास करपाक उबे रावना ते कॉलिंग अटेंशन तेजे डिस्कशन करपा
No, I have to explain my stand.
खातीर क्लियर करपा खातीर हाडलेला स्पीकर सर हांव सांगता आमी आतां पर्यंत एसआयटी लँड ग्रॅबच्या अंडर 22 केसीस रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ल्यो आसा आनी जवळपास तश्यो जर पळोवंक वचत जाल्यार हांव टोटल तेजो सगळो डेटा जो आहा पळय दिता हाज्या पयलींच्या सरकारांनी कित्याक काय करूं ना स्पीकर सर लोकांचे ज्यो प्रॉपर्टी पडलेल्या लोक जे फॉरेन कंट्रीन आसा तेजे प्रॉपर्टी हांगासर ग्रॅब केल्या आणि माझ्या सरकारान स्पीकर साहेब म्हाका सांगता आसतना दिसता हांव जाल्यार सांगता केसीस एट प्रेझेंट इट इज विथ द इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग बाय द एसआयटी 30 आसा एफआयआर ट्रान्सफर टू द पुलीस स्टेशन 8 आसा चार्जशीटेड फायल बाय द ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट 12 आसा एफआयआर कॉस्ट बाय द हायकोर्ट 3 जाल्यो फायनल रिपोर्ट टू द हायकोर्ट 2 इट इज एन अक्यूज पर्सन अरेस्टेड टिल डेट इज 41 टोटल अरेस्ट पेड इज 75 टोटल गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट अरेस्टेड इज 6 डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द आर्काइव्स एंड आर्किओलॉजी इतले 3 आसात रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ द सब रजिस्ट्रार काणकोण एकटो मामलेदार ऑफिस बार्देस 2 जाण ओके ते नावाय बी म्हणजे जेका अरेस्ट केली 13 फावटी एकट्याक अरेस्ट केला हो मोहम्मद सोहेल म्हणून त्याचे नाव पब्लिकार आसा ओके ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक दिता हांव आमी निव्वळ आसा आमचे इंटेंशन क्लियर आसा आणि दिस इज नॉट अ बिल डिस्कशन आमी हे जे कॉलिंग अटेंशन हाडला सरकाराच्या बिलाच्या नावाच्या सकयल सरकाराची बदनामी आमी खपोवन घेवचे ना ताका जर चॅलेंज करपाचे आसत जाल्यार लेट हिम चॅलेंज द बिल इन द कोर्ट माझ्या सरळ
You cannot cut short the discussion after you make allegations. This is completely wrong. This is completely wrong. I have the right to reply.
Why can't he reply?
Why can I not reply? You say what you want after that. Why should the chief minister be wanting? Why getting scared?
Why
Is the government getting scared?
to speak?
त्या बिलाचे
Are they feeling embarrassed? I give Modi Mullah, I said something wrong.
We are specific something.
स्पीकर सर त्या
I'm going to
बिलाचे
reply in
डिस्कशन
my
सर
This is completely wrong. Chief minister wants to run away from this. Charge is made against me.
Calling attention is a charging attention.
अरे it is a recording of the Constitution of the India to write the things. It will provide your full authority.
Let him talk. Let him clarify.
I hate inshallah. Honorable sir, one minute. Speaker, one minute. I inshallah abandoned property मुलं किती आहे? आजपासून answer ना. You answer this, I will sit down. What is abandoned property? The act has no definition. There is nothing which is what is abandoned property. How do you just keep on making statements?
ज्याच्यावर कोणीच क्लेम करूंक ना ती नो मॅन लँड म्हणजे अबंडन प्रॉपर्टी स्पीकर सर हे झाले सुद्धा असत त्याला 10 महिन्याचो 10 वर्षाचो पिरियड दवरल्या
ना ना
इवन इज शोविंग
You show me in the act.
स्पीकर सर हांका लोकांनी प्रॉपर्टी घालल्यार जाता ह्यो ज्यो इतक्यो केसीस जाल्या त्यो जाल्यार जाता आणि सरकारान बिल हाडी जाल्यार सरकार प्रॉपर्टी खावपाक सुद्धा जाता परत जाता स्पीकर सर परत जाता
land is being taken from the
property किती झाले
government
वर्षा
to लोका परत दिना जमीन. You are taking over the land.
हा विचारता
You are taking over the land.
2000
Security fight for their cases. Further fight your rights.
कायदो आसा आणि कायदो ना म्हणून कायद्याचो आधार घेऊन
I ask a question. Abandoned property. What is abandoned property? What is abandoned property?
प्रॉपर्टीच्या नावाच्या सगळ्या केसी हायकोर्टात झगडतात म्हाका खबर आसा आणि डॉक्युमेंट किती लायता ते
Whether to go to High Court or not is our prerogative. We don't have to give advice to us.
तितून वचना हांव विचारता इतक्यो केसीस जायसर खंय आशिल्ले तर इतक्यो केसीस कित्याक करच्यो पडल्यो एसआयटी लँड ग्रॅब फॉर्म केल्या उपरांत म्हणजे त्यांच्यानी जो रिपोर्ट दिला त्याच्या आधारावर
Deputy collector पडून आहात हिंगा. Identify lights and they are giving the lands. Amladar and deputy collectors are involved in this racket. Speaker, I'm not finished. I cover kelna. This is a tactic to interrupt me and not allow me to speak.
Shri Vijay
I will tell the Honorable Speaker.
Because sir, Shri Vijay
Minister That property identify करून केला. सर्वे केला म्हणून किती म्हणता?
स्पीकर सर तेणी तो व्हिडिओ
Misleading the complete intention is wrong. You can't make statements like this.
I am no first order.
He's interrupting me.
You all law गोयकरांची लँड आणि
It doesn't want me to speak.
Because
तुमचे?
2 minutes I will speak.
चालू झालं सांग
No, I will speak for 2 minutes. Honorable Speaker,
Vijay Sardesai.
Honorable Speaker, 2 minutes.
Yes.
Don't interrupt our Kota. I just speak for 2 minutes. Then let them say what they want. Don't interrupt me for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Calling attention. Verify
गिरीश बोरकर गिरीश बोरकर गिरीश बोरकर
Don't mean that. Don't mean that power Kota.
गिरीश बोरकर
Right to speak.
video speaker sir
You to tell me to speak. Stop speaking. Two minutes. 2 minutes.
speaker sir with your permission
इतले दाखले उलयले म्हणून
गिरीश बोरकर
of the house regards the change in the name by any person
आणि सदस्य बसून घ्या सगळे आणि सगळे बसून घ्या सगळे बसून घ्या जी दारुलकर बसून घ्या सगळे
भाषण विरोधी पक्षाच्या
भाषा सोडण्याचा व्हिडिओ स्पीकर सर म्हाका विचार
2 minutes.
व्हिडिओ विड्रॉ करचे का त्यांनी पहिली
My right to say speech. I can speak what I want. I can say what I want.
व्हिडिओ होय तू पळून जा तू व्हिडिओ म्हणून
सगळ्यांनी बसून घ्या Other part what he say has to be corrected. तो जनरल जर घातल्या तर आम्ही क्लिअर झाला बसून घ्या सगळे गोष्ट त्याने परत झाला पण बिल लाईटी उदकाचे बिल फारीक कर हे सगळं बरं झालं आम्ही करे किती झालं सगळं चुकीचं झालं पण तो चुकीचा शब्द जो असा तो त्याला सगळं विड्रॉ करतो चुकीच्या गोष्टी सर दुसरं उलयत ना तुम्ही कशे म्हाका उलय म्हणटा बंद करून हांवें उलोवप न्ही काय नुस्त्याचो बाजार तुझी ना ते पयलीं तेगे काबार करच्यो काबार 2 मिनटां तेगे काबार करता
व्हिडिओ पळयला
स्पीकर सर व्हिडिओ पळय हा व्हिडिओचे तो उलयता आनी विड्रॉ करप कितें तें तूं डिसायड करता
I can't withdraw video. That's my fundamental right.
Yes.
I have right to speak. I can right to comment. Who can say?
हांवें पळोवंक ना पण जर सगळ्यांचे ताका जर आसत जर ऑप्शन आसत जाल्यार तो विड्रॉ करपाक
व्हिडिओ
I can't withdraw my video. No. Can't demand that I should withdraw.
स्पीकर सर
अरे
मागीर
आज आम्ही
सर सर हांव एडवोकेट
After SI, you got a property in your name. You got property in your name. But if it becomes abandoned property, तो के property है.
स्पीकर सर विजय सरदेसाई
स्पीकर सर अरे उलयता मरे उलोवंक
बसून घ्या
आज सीएम सारको ह्या फॉर्माना सारको तापाड झाला सुशेगाद घे सुशेगाद घेता
आता स्पीकर सर म्हजो एक सादो प्रश्न आहा मंत्र्याक आता हे बिल इतले ताकतिकेन हाडले आमी तेन्ना कितें म्हणिल्लें हांवें म्हणिल्लें आनी कालुसांनी म्हणिल्लें की आमकां अशें दिसता जे ताकतिकेन तुमी करतात त्या भशेन सरकार हो लँड ग्रॅबर जातलो काय कितें हो आमी प्रश्न असेंब्लीन म्हणिल्लो हांगा आणि त्यांना कोणेच आमकां गेट आउट म्हणून ना ते एक्सपंज कर म्हणून ना हे पहिले हे बोल काय सर
त्यांना बिलाचेर डिस्कशन
उलोव काय नाका
त्यांना बिलाचेर डिस्कशन सुरू आशिल्लें
उलोव काय नाका
पण बिलाचेर उलयत न्हू तो
बिलाचेर उलोवं नाका
I said what I spoke in the assembly.
8/2024 बिल हाडले आता 1/2025 फुडल्या महिन्यात जातले स्पीकर सर कितली घरां सरकारान
So agitated.
स्पीकर सर
स्पीकर सर एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर मंत्र्याक म्हजो एक प्रश्न आहा की इतल्या ताकतिकेन हे बिल जे पास केले 2024 आज आमी 1 वर्ष नंतर आहा कितल्यो केसी तुवें आयडेंटिफाय केल्या
स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट
हांव लिस्टेड इतलो बरो आहे
अरे रिलेटेड मरे तू कसो उलयता ताणें उलोवप तें ताणें हाडिल्लें
हे केसी ज्यो आसा पळय न्हू
हय.
एसआयटीन केसी सगळ्यो एसआयटी लँड ग्रॅब फॉर्म केल्या उपरांत रजिस्टर्ड केल्या ताज्या
कितले अशें तुमी धरल्या अबँडन प्रॉपर्टी कितल्यो आहाय
आतां वयतल्यो
तू 60 केसेस म्हणला तुवें 60 केसेस म्हणल्यार तुका लिस्ट आशिल्लें पयलें
या
There are cases under SIT where Honorable Chief Minister has just mentioned.
yeah.
Now, as far as this act is concerned, we have not basically started any of this thing itself.
we had formed the code.
We are
No,
we have
so
we have
you
just formed
have not done anything
Yeah,
under the
so
Because, sir,
what
because,
no,
sir,
no, our objection, our objection is very, see, our objection to that
लिस्ट दवरता
Honorable CM.
लिस्ट दवरता ह्यो सगळ्यो कोर्टाक वचपाक
Honorable member, our objection to this video is very simple. See,
कितल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान आयडेंटिफाय केल्यो
केल्यो. हय, त्यो विचारता.
आमी काय आयडेंटिफाय करून म्हणून
ओ मग झालं
तो SIT
no, no,
एक सायडीन सीएम म्हणटा 60 केसेस आयडेंटिफाय केला
आमच्या
अरे ते
objection
जाऊन
वापस
विचारलं
म्हणटा काय केला म्हण
you have watched the video. What does the video say? There is one fellow who explained that there are around 60 cases. Right? Not even one basically case has been come to
under
light.
the act you have not identified because under the rules you have to proceed. I
Yes,
agree
sir.
with you. But Chief Minister already made a statement that
No,
60
but
cases
Dotor-
have been done.
But Dotor, what about when
It
an
will be
elected
done under the procedure. I don't
when
say
an
no.
elected representative goes and makes a vital statement
Answer me
saying
only
that
one-
this is going to
answer me
happen,
only one
you are
question.
creating, this is
I
more
agree,
of a fear
I agree.
mongering among the public.
Answer
now.
me only one question.
Because
Once it is declared abandoned
झाला कितें
property.
खबर आहा वन कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडला ताजेर तेका त्या हेजेर न्ही तेणी कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडला सरकाराची बदनामी करपाक पळयली तेणी फाटी घेवपाचें
Abandoned
ते फाटी
property.
घेवपाचें
Does it come back to the owner? Does it come back to the owner?
Yes, sir. तो जे हाडला पळय न्हू,
हांव उलयतालो मुगे काबार जाल ना फायर मारून गेले आणि म्हाका सोडलो अशें करून they fired a shot on me and gone away in Kamaru. My name was taken. The video मोडलं जर आम्ही
We are only saying that what the bill's purpose is, what is to tell properly.
गोंयच्या सरकारान हाडलेल्या बिलाचेर अशा पद्धती बदनामीकारक भाशण हे करूच शकना
ना
तेका
There is
कितें
one
करपाचें
small
आसा
question
जाल्यार तो
which-
लिगली वयतलो
one small question which Chief Minister has to answer.
Next calling attention.
Nobody is getting scared legally also.
Calling attention. Next calling attention. Shri Viresh Bulkar, Elton D'Costa, Shri Vijay Sardesai.
स्पीकर सर पहिलो